Bookkeepers, it's Trudy at Maven. Here's a life-changing habit you can adopt immediately. Never bring a complaint without also suggesting a solution. As in never ever. Just stop doing that in all facets of your life right now. This rule is gold because complaints without solutions, that's called whining. And whining is never a good business strategy. So first, let's classify what constitutes a complaint. A complaint is actually just a statement of frustration without a path forward. This client never responds on time. I can't keep up with all these requests. That's a good problem to have. My marketing sucks. It isn't working. Okay, got it. But now what? Because if you stop there, all you've done is dump your energy on yourself, your team, your clients. It drags morale down, clouds thinking, and leads nowhere fast. But when you bring a solution to the problem, everything changes. So let's break down the three big benefits of this mindset. Number one, it puts you back in control. When you bring a solution, you shift from victim to decision maker. You stop waiting for someone else to fix it and you start leading your way out of it. Even if that solution is not perfect, the act of offering one means you're not stuck. Number two, it builds massive credibility. Clients, peers, partners, they notice when you're not just pointing out what's broken, you're offering to fix it. That makes you the person they want in the room, on the team, or in charge of their projects. Leaders don't whine, they solve. And three, it cuts drama and boosts clarity. Complaining fogs your brain and it leads to finger pointing, and that brings all the drama that goes with it. Solution thinking focuses your brain. Instead of spiraling into what's wrong, you're shifting your brain to say, what's possible here? What's next? That's where the innovation lives, and that's how systems improve. And that is where you grow. So your action item for this week, every time you're about to complain, pause. Ask yourself, can I offer at least one possible fix, even a small one, even if it's not the final answer? You can start really small. This client is always late should be, I'll send early reminders with a firm cutoff. This software is always clunky should look like, what tool might be more intuitive? And I'm overwhelmed should be, can I offload just one task today? Here's my final thought. At Maven, we do not whine, we solve. Because problem spotting is easy, but solution thinking, that is where the real pros shine. Be the one who brings the answers. That's how you become the go-to. Don't forget to subscribe, and next up, pruning away your problems. We're looking at cutting dead branches here, and we all have dead branches, so we will see you there.